A very good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Vanapriya Markandelu. I got coached by Banapavan sir and Jansi ma'am, and I got mentored by Anand sir and Ratna ma'am. So today my topic is why supplements. Okay. Say for example, if a person is not well and they're going to doctor, what doctor suggests? He'll give us some medication and he will tell us to eat some fruits and vegetables. Okay, so according to WHO, World Health Organization, they says a person must eat minimum 5 kilos of food and maximum 9 kilos of food per day. Say for example, if we'll take a purple color, so what are foods available in purple color? If you'll see, one is a brinjal, another one is a beetroot, and another one is a blueberries. These are essential for proper brain function. And another one is red color. So red color is necessary for proper heart functioning. And red color, if I'll take, one is a tomato and another one is an apple, another one is a pomegranate. So next is about eyesight. To improve eyesight, what and all food we have to eat. What are vegetables we have to eat? If you'll see, one is a carrot, another one is a pumpkin, oranges and lemons. So these are all to improve our eyesight. So next is about bones and joints problem. If someone is having bones and joints problem, say for example, in our home our parents will be there, our in-laws will be there, they'll be suffering from bones and joints problem. So they must eat white color food. Say for example, mushroom, cabbage, egg and all they must eat. So milk also will comes under white color only. So per day for calcium you have to take 100 to 150 grams of calcium. So for that you have to take 1 liter to 1.5 liters of milk. Okay. Next we are not eating this all completely. So only a person can't drink 1 to 1.5 liters of milk per day. Also, we cannot take all these vegetables per day. So next, we'll see what and all available with us as a nutrient. Okay. So first, nutrient is nothing but it is a combination of 13 vitamins and 11 minerals to our body to function our healthy body. Okay. So nutrients are divided into two types. One is the macronutrient and another one is the micronutrient. Okay, so macronutrient means proteins, carbohydrates and fats. These all comes under macronutrients. Okay, so next, so to make a healthy meal, a person needs 10 to 25% of proteins and 20 to 35% of fat and 45 to 65% of carbohydrates in a meal. Okay, so on micronutrients, as I told already, it must have 13 vitamins and 11 minerals in it for our essential for our body. Okay, so where is the source for these vitamins? So as we all are famous with vitamin C nowadays, so vitamin C is rich in citric acid contents. Citric acid contents means vitamin C is available in oranges and lemons. Vitamin B is available in apples. Vitamin A is available in carrot, milk and pumpkins. So are we eating all this every day? No, we are not eating this all every day. So what we have to do? We have to go for supplements. So here a question arises, only a supplement per day, is it enough? No, it's not enough. So you have to select a supplement which is grown in a proper organic forms. So the proper organic forms must be far away from the city. It must be far away from the pollution. It should avoid some insects, that all. So the extract from that organic forms only you have to take as a supplement. So in this, Nutralite plays a vital role to give you supplements. So you have to take supplement plus food for a healthy and balanced diet. Okay, say for example, if an apple is growing in a farm, okay, immediately if they are consuming the apple, they'll get 100% nutrition in it. Instead of that, if they are consuming it, if they are storing it and if they are consuming it after 4 hours, the nutrition in the apple will reduce us to 75%. And if they are consuming after 24 hours of harvesting the apple, the nutrition in it reduces to 40%. And next, if they are consuming it after 48 hours, nutrition will reduce us to 10%. So you have to take Nutralite supplements plus food to make a balanced diet. By this, my demo got over. Thank you for your time, everyone.